Welcome back to day 10 of our Christmas in July giveaway. Today it's Travel Hacks Day. And for the prize we have a Chili Mini from Frog's Hogs, one of our favorite things for cruising or for the parks. It's especially good in Costa Maya. And also a set of flexible reusable straws that are perfect for the Royal Caribbean cruise cups. Because they're flexible, they slide right down in. Some of the straight straws are kind of hard to push in there. So these are great for the parks or for cruises too. Let's get to the question of the day.
What is your favorite what is your best travel tip or packing hack?
Leave us a comment below for your chance to win the daily prize. The more you enter, the more chances you have to win our ultimate grand prize giveaway bag. And remember,
Life is short, take the trip.